Welcome back to our channel where we're always bringing you the hottest tips and tricks to live your best frugal life. Today, we're spicing things up with our latest video, 10 frugal living hacks you have not tried yet. That's right. We're not just giving you the same old boring advice. We've scoured the depths of the internet to find the coolest, most innovative hacks to help you save money like a boss. So, turn up the volume, grab your notepad, and get ready to have your mind blown by these frugal living hacks. 1. Use a programmable thermostat. Are you tired of receiving heavy electricity bills every month? Well, it's time to take control of your energy usage and adopt some frugal living hacks. One of the best ways to save on energy bills is by installing a programmable thermostat. This smart device allows you to schedule your home's heating and cooling system according to your preferences. For instance, you can set the thermostat to lower the temperature automatically at night when you're asleep or during the day when you're at work. By doing so, you can save up to 10% on your energy bill per year. So invest in a programmable thermostat today and enjoy the benefits of a more comfortable and cost-effective home. 2. Embrace thrift store shopping. If you're looking for an affordable way to upgrade your wardrobe, home decor, Oregon, even your electronics, then it's time to embrace thrift store shopping. Thrift stores offer a wide range of secondhand items that are still in good condition and available at a fraction of the cost of new items. Plus, you can often find unique and vintage pieces that you won't find anywhere else. To make the most out of your thrift store shopping experience, make sure to have an open mind and a bit of patience as you browse through the racks. You may need to dig through some items to find the perfect fit, but the end result is worth it. 3. Try a minimalism lifestyle and decluttering. Minimalism and decluttering could transform your life. Simplifying your possessions creates a peaceful space and perspective on what truly matters. You'll be able to focus on what brings joy and satisfaction without unnecessary distractions. Decluttering can also help you save money, and the benefits of a minimalist lifestyle are immeasurable. Start small by decluttering one room or embrace minimalism in all areas of your life. It requires dedication and patience, but the rewards are worth it. Take the first step towards a simpler, fulfilling life today. Enjoy a happier, calmer, and more organized future with minimalism. If you dabbled in the world of minimalism and decluttering as a means of achieving a more frugal lifestyle, we want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share your experience with us. 4. Rent out your parking space or garage. Are you tired of your unused parking space or garage collecting dust and draining your bank account? Turn that space into cash by renting it out. It's a win-win situation, as you provide a valuable service to people who need parking while earning some extra money on the side. With the rising cost of urban parking, your space could be a lifesaver for commuters, travelers, or anyone who needs a safe and convenient place to park their vehicle. There are many companies who register your garage and start their business on rent. You can easily earn a few $100s a month depending on the location and demand. 5. Learn to sew and mend clothing. Say goodbye to constantly replacing your clothes due to small rips or loose threads. Instead, why not try your hand at sewing and mending? Not only will you extend the lifespan of your wardrobe, but you'll also save some serious cash, and don't worry if you're new to sewing. There are countless online resources like tutorials and short videos to get you started on this creative and practical journey. Not only is sewing and mending an excellent way to customize your wardrobe to fit your unique style, but it's also an opportunity to reduce your environmental footprint by minimizing textile waste. Plus, every time you successfully mend or create something new, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and pride in your skills. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the world of sewing and mending and start creating a sustainable and stylish wardrobe. 6. Try to negotiate large purchases. It's time to take charge and put these frugal living hacks into action, starting with the art of negotiation. Don't let high prices hold you back from the things you love. Instead, use your savvy negotiation skills to score the best deals and keep more cash in your pocket. So, challenge yourself to negotiate at least one expense this week and see how much you can save. Trust us, you might surprise yourself with how easy it is and how much money you can keep in your wallet. It's time to take control of your finances and start living your best life, one negotiation at a time. So what are you waiting for? Your frugal future awaits, and it's time to take control of your finances and start living your best life. Did you find these frugal living hacks helpful? If so, show us some love by smashing that like button and sharing this video with your crew. But wait, there's more. We've got an entire arsenal of frugal tips and tricks just waiting to be unleashed. So make sure you stick around and keep watching, because there's always more to learn and more money to save. 7. Make your own gifts instead of buying a gift. Want to add a personal touch to your gift giving without spending too much money? Making your own cards is a fun and creative option. You don't need to be an expert artist to create beautiful and unique cards for any occasion. All you need are a few basic supplies and a willingness to experiment. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or a simple thank you note, a handmade card is a heartfelt way to show your appreciation. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy the process of creating something special for your loved ones. So why not give it a try and add some DIY charm to your next gift? 8. Use a reusable water bottle. Are you looking for innovative ways to save money and live a more sustainable life? Start with the simple act of using a reusable water bottle. Not only does this help reduce waste and promote healthier habits, but it can also be a fun and creative way to personalize your hydration routine. So why not challenge yourself to try something new today? Experiment with freezing fruit and herbs to add some flavor to your water, or decorate your reusable bottle with stickers and paint to make it uniquely yours. By making small changes like these, you can take a step towards a more frugal and eco-friendlier lifestyle. Give it a try and see how much of a difference it can make. 9. Create self-made cleaning rags. Are you tired of constantly buying paper towels and cleaning supplies? Well, we've got a solution that's not only budget-friendly, but also eco-friendly. All you need are some old t-shirts or towels, a pair of scissors, and a little bit of creativity. Cut the fabric into squares or strips, and you now have a reusable cleaning rag that's gentle on surfaces and can be used again and again. Not only will you save money by avoiding the need for buying disposable cleaning supplies, but you'll also feel like a total boss by upcycling old fabrics and reducing waste. Plus, it's a fun and easy DIY project that can be done with friends or family. So what are you waiting for? Let's get creative and start saving some serious cash while cleaning up the planet one rag at a time. 10. Reduce your paper usage. Reducing paper usage is a great way to save money and be more environmentally conscious. In today's digital age, there are many ways to reduce your paper consumption without sacrificing convenience. One simple hack is to switch to digital receipts and online bill pay. This not only reduces paper waste, but also helps you keep track of your expenses more efficiently. Another hack is to go paperless with your reading materials, such as ebooks and audiobooks, which can save you money and space. By reducing your paper usage, you not only save money on paper and ink, but also help conserve natural resources and reduce carbon emissions. So give it a try and see how you can reduce your paper usage today. And that's a wrap, folks. Today's video on frugal living hacks was jam-packed with budget-saving tips and tricks, and we hope you found them helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more frugal living and personal finance videos. And while you're at it, check out our video on frugal living retirement. How to live on less when retired, for some killer tips on planning for your future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay frugal and fabulous.